Hello and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really awesome Play-Doh Christmas tree and gingerbread man. So, for this you're going to need Play-Doh. We're going to need dark green and light green, yellow, red, purple, white, light brown, dark brown, a crafting tool, an extruder, a rolling pin, gold glitter, and gold stars. The first thing we're going to do is to take our light brown Play-Doh and roll it flat using our rolling pin. Now we're going to take our crafting tool and we're going to cut out our gingerbread man. I'm starting with his head and then cutting out 2 arms. Then I'm following that down to make his legs. Now get rid of the excess Play-Doh and smooth down the edges. You can use your fingers or your crafting tool. Now take some white Play-Doh. We're going to roll it into a long, thin spaghetti shape. This is going to form the trim of our gingerbread man. We want it to go all the way around the edge, just like it would normally if you had a real gingerbread man. Remember, you can't eat this one. If it's not long enough, roll some more Play-Doh. Join up the 2 bits, and there you have it. Now we're going to add some more decoration. I'm using green to make a bow tie. Put it on your gingerbread man. Now use some white Play-Doh to make his mouth and his eyes. I'm using red to make his buttons. And there we have it, a gingerbread man. So now let's make our Christmas tree. I'm going to take dark green Play-Doh. We're going to roll it into a cone shape. This is going to form the majority of our Christmas tree. Smooth down any cracks. Using your crafting tool, score some triangles right around the edge. We want to go around the Christmas tree and all the way down. Follow what I'm doing. Once you've got to the bottom of the Christmas tree, we're going to go back up, and using the tool, we're going to pry up some of the Play-Doh. This will give some great texture to our Christmas tree. Work your way down, doing it for every triangle. Keep going. This is going to look great when it's decorated. It's starting to look like a Christmas tree.
Perfect. Now that's done. Now I'm going to make the base of the tree. So I'm taking dark brown Play-Doh. I'm going to roll it into a log shape so that our tree can sit on top. Just like this. Now for the fun bit. We're going to decorate our tree. I'm putting some white Play-Doh into our extruder tool. This is going to give us some tinsel-like. This is going to give us a tinsel-like effect. I'm going to wrap this around the entire tree. Keep going. You can use as much tinsel as you like. Now it's time to make some baubles. I've decided to start with light purple. I'm also going to make some red ones too. And some yellow. Now let's stick them on our tree. Don't they look great? Just stick them on wherever you want them. Yellow, purple, and red. They really pop against the green. And finally, I'm going to add some gold stars all over my tree. Talking of gold stars, we need to make one more star, and I'm doing this in yellow Play-Doh. This is for the top of the tree. I'm going to cover it in gold glitter, just to make it super shiny. Stick it on top. And there you have it. Doesn't that look great? A Christmas tree made out of Play-Doh, along with a gingerbread man, who looks so good you could eat him, but remember you can't because it's only Play-Doh. And there you have it. That's how you make your very own Play-Doh Christmas tree and gingerbread man.